Hello fellow Bubble app builders. I'm excited to tell you today about a brand new way that you can learn how to develop a no-code app with Bubble and plus tons more. We've been working on our YouTube channel for a while now, and we've come to understand that launching a SaaS product or an MVP, there's so much more involved to it than simply learning Bubble. So that's why we're launching the Planet No Code Mastery Program, because we think it includes everything you need to go from just an idea to launching a SaaS app in 10 weeks. Let me break it down for you. Through a mix of online classrooms and one-to-one tuition, we will be teaching you everything you need to launch a Bubble app. I will be leading the Bubble tutorial sessions, and it will be with a very small cohort of other passionate Bubble app builders. But I'll also be joined by other members of the Planet No Code team who specialize in product development and marketing. So we are including in this package everything you need for the technical side to build your app, everything you need to strategically develop it, and finally, how do you get your first 10 users? We will have sessions on marketing also. But that's not all. We will also be including in there access to our whole library of hundreds of Bubble tutorial videos. And throughout the 10-week program, you will be meeting with me one-to-one, and we will be overcoming those hurdles and those frustrations with developing your Bubble app. We truly believe that this is everything you need to go from an idea to a launched Bubble-driven business, and the best way for you to get involved is to head to our website planetnocode.com/mastery and to fill in this form here to express your interest in joining our cohort. We can't wait to have you on board and to journey with you as you build your SaaS app with Bubble.